Now, students, part 4 here. So, what are we going to do? We're going to go back to our ground floor plan, and then we're going to put in a couple of windows and doors. So let's do that. Over to the architecture tab and into door. It's drop down box here. Right. Now, we've not got much of a choice here. I want to put in a garage door for starters. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my load family. And I'm going to find my doors. And I'm going to do external doors. And if I come down the bottom down here, I think I've got some garage doors. There's a garage door there, right? And a horizontal. So I'm going to use that one there. Door garage horizontal. And I did open. Now, it's on the end of my cursor at the moment, okay? And you can see some of the properties over here. So I'm just going to position it. Now, be careful where you position it. If you position it here, it'll turn it like the wall's inside out. But if you come towards the external side of the wall, it'll position it on the external side. You can see that on the 3D, you can see it there. I'm just going to select it, and I can use my little arrow keys just to center it up. 3, 2, 3, 4. So I'll do one there. Now that's more or less that. Okay. So that's in position. Now I'm going to put in another door. So this will be a little standard single entrance door here. And I'll put that in there. Okay, that's popped in. Okay. And then I want to put in a window. I hit the drop down box, see what I've got to choose from here. So I just want a single, no, this maybe that double. I'll put in at the back here. And again, making sure that I'm putting it the right way around. So I'll put one in there and I'll put one in there. Okay. Now, so I've got my windows in place here. And just for the crack, I'm going to put in a skylight as well. Okay, so windows, and let's see if I've got one. And if I don't have one, oh, I do. Look, there it is there. We'll bring it up, and it's going to ask me to place it on the face rather than anywhere else. And I'll just put one there and one there. Okay. Now, you can see it's not cut a hole through the roof. So what I want to do with that then is select it into the modify, and here's the cut. So I want to cut from this roof that opening for the skylight. Cut from the roof skylight. Okay, and that is in there now. Right, now that I've got my windows and doors and everything else in place, I'm going to put in some dimensions here. So we're going to go back to annotate and aligned. Okay, now what we don't want wall center lines here. We want wall faces. See that? Okay, so wall faces. And we're going to do this to the opening. Okay, to the opening. So it'll choose different lines, what we want to do to the opening. And as I said, place it. And then we'll come on this side and we do the same here. Okay, and we place that there. Okay. And then we'll do a final one here on the garage door. Move that one maybe here, something like that. Right, so I've got my dimensions in. The last thing I want to do is I want to create a room here. And in the architecture tab, we've got rooms. And I'm going to drag this across here. This is called a room tag. And what it does is that it reports back pieces of information to us. So I'm going to position it there and hit escape, escape. I'm going to click once, click twice. And this is going to go my garage. Oh. Garage room is reporting back that it is 19 square meters here. It's a number 4. I don't want the number 4 in here, so I'm going to go into edit type. And I'm going to say turn off the room number for me, please, like so. So my garage is now 19 square meters, and I've got my dimensions in place, and I've got my windows and doors there. Right, that's the end of part 4.